Today we are going to show you the best miter saws you can buy right now. We have analyzed the market and listed these 5 best miter saws for you. For more amazing tech product reviews and suggestions, please subscribe to our channel. We will try our best to present you with the best tech products that you can buy now. Products links in the description box. In this video, we'll be covering miter saws, including what they are, why you may want to choose them, and some of the best options out there. Number 5. The Delta Shopmaster S26-263L 10-inch compound sliding miter saw features an amazing 12 crosscut capacity. Experience the capability to complete many woodworking projects with our powerful and dependable 15-amp motor. From its front lock control system with 10 positive miter stops to the new and improved laser cut line indicator, the S26-263L Precision is top tier in its class. Lightweight unit is easy to move from room to room or even from job to job. Table extensions help support long workpieces. The spindle lock holds the spindle securely while the bead nut is loosened and removed. Bevels left from 0 to 45 degrees, cuts nominal 2 inches by 12 inches at full angle. Laser, with on-off switch. It makes aligning the blade to the workpiece more convenient and precise cuts. Electric brake stops the blade within seconds of releasing the switch. The cord exits out the rear of the slide bar, protecting it from the blade. UL listed. Voltage 120, ampere 15 amp, blade size 10-inch diameter, arbor size 5/8 diameter, speed RPM 5,500 RPM, weight 29.5 pounds, and 3-year warranty. Number 4. The Metabo HPT C10 FCGS is powered by a 15 ampere motor that can be connected to any wall socket that produces 120 V of output power. The motor is corded, with a 6-foot cable that connects the motor and the electrical supply. In no-load conditions, the motor is capable of spinning the blade to speeds of up to 5,000 RPM. Blade and crosscut capacity. This product is provided with a 10-inch 24-teeth tungsten carbide-tipped (TCT) blade. The blade has a maximum cutting depth of February 5, 16-inch. This blade is included while purchasing the product. The quality of the blade was good for a 24-teeth blade. The finish was smooth, although it struggled against certain hardwoods to achieve the same smooth finish. This miter saw has a bevel and miter feature that can be engaged simultaneously. The miter can be moved between 0 degrees and 52 degrees in both directions. It also has positive stops that are placed at 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 22.5 degrees, 31.6 degrees, and 45 degrees. This miter saw comes with a dust bag that could collect dust as it was being thrown out by the blade. This product comes with a blade guard that helps prevent the user's hands from coming in contact with the blade when it is spinning. I was quite impressed by just how light the Metabo HPT C10 FCGS was. At just 24.2 pounds, the maximum rotating speed of 5,000 RPM of the blade helped me slice through wooden blocks quickly and easily. The price of this saw fluctuates between $222 to $137. Number the Skill MS6305-00, very familiar. You get lots of adjustability, like dual beveling and mitering to 51 degrees in both directions. The saw cuts through 2x12 lumber and even 4x4s at 90 degrees, giving it ample capacity. It's certain to make you wonder why you'd ever lug around a larger 12-inch miter saw. It weighs just 48.8 pounds. That falls nearer to the lower end of the weights we commonly see on 10-inch sliding compound miter saws. We credit the cast aluminum base, which shaves a bunch of weight. For wider boards, the 10-inch miter saw gives you table extensions on either side. These provide extra support when needed. You can also lock each table extension in any position, from fully closed to fully open. Oddly, while the clamp and sliding fences adjust with tool-free knobs, the extensions lock using Allen screws. These are compatible with the included blade change wrench. Love the LED shadow cut line indicator. This is our preferred style of cut line, and it provides a much better solution than lasers. You can see the cut line as a shadow in all but the most direct sunlight. We found we could cut 2x material at a full 45 bevel in either direction. The saw also cuts through a 2x12 at 90 degrees. Feed it a 4x4, and it does the same. The power on the Skill MS6305-00 is nothing short of phenomenal. You can literally shove it through any 2x material without any hesitation. The 15-amp motor never once bogged down on us, and we made a lot of cuts in the hot Florida sun. For $250, the Skill 10-inch miter saw is a really nice saw with the features you want. Number 2. The Bosch GCM12SD is a 12-inch dual bevel glide miter saw, commonly used for making precise crosscuts and miter cuts in wood and other materials. The glide in its name refers to the axial glide system, a patented design by Bosch. This system allows for smooth and precise cutting motion, and it takes up less space compared to traditional sliding miter saws. It has a 12-inch blade capacity, allowing you to make larger cuts. The dual bevel feature means you can tilt the blade to both the left and right, making it easier to create compound miter cuts without having to flip your workpiece. The saw is typically equipped with a powerful motor to handle various cutting tasks efficiently. It often comes with a dust collection system to keep your workspace cleaner. Efficient dust collection is important for both the tool's longevity and your health. The miter saw can typically be cut at various angles for versatility in woodworking projects. It's commonly used in carpentry, framing, and other woodworking applications. The design of the axial glide system, along with other features like a clear and easy-to-read miter scale, contributes to the precision and accuracy of the cuts. While not as lightweight as some smaller miter saws, the Bosch GCM12SD is designed to be relatively portable, and the axial glide system contributes to a more compact footprint. Number 1. The DeWalt DWS716XPS is a compound miter saw designed for precision cutting in woodworking and carpentry applications. The saw is equipped with a powerful motor that provides sufficient power for various cutting tasks. The exact specifications may vary, so it's recommended to check the product manual or specifications for the specific model you're interested in. The DWS716XPS is a compound miter saw, meaning it can make both miter and bevel cuts. It allows you to make angled cuts, miter cuts, and tilted cuts, bevel cuts, simultaneously, providing versatility for different woodworking projects. One of the notable features of the DWS716XPS is the XPS crosscut positioning system. XPS stands for Crosscut Positioning System, and it is a built-in LED light that casts a shadow of the blade onto the workpiece. This shadow provides a precise cutting line without the need for blade adjustments, enhancing accuracy. The saw typically has a decent cutting capacity, allowing it to handle various sizes of wood. The specific cutting capacity, maximum crosscut, maximum vertical capacity against the fence, etc., may vary, so it's essential to check the product specifications. Many miter saws, including the DWS716XPS, come with a dust collection system to help keep your workspace clean. It usually includes a dust bag or a port for connecting to a vacuum for efficient dust extraction. The saw is often designed to be relatively portable, making it easier to move around the workshop or job site. All of the best miter saws are on our list. Please click the thumbs up icon if you found this video to be helpful. Which miter saws would you choose? Let us know what you think by leaving a remark below. Thank you for your time. Click the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you found this video to be useful in any way so you won't miss any upcoming updates. All of you who viewed before that, I hope to see you in the upcoming video.